Good morning. Today is August the 8th, 2010. This is Hurricane Cities with an update on your tropical weather. Tropical Storm Colin, Advisory 18 this morning at 7 a.m. was located at 31.2 degrees north, 65.6 degrees west. Maximum sustained winds are only 40 miles per hour, and the minimal central pressure is at 1,013 millibars. The movement of the system is to the north-northeast at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. It has slowed down quite a bit overnight, but once it gets caught up in this trough north of Bermuda, it's expected to accelerate to the northeast pretty rapidly on the day Monday. Bermuda is located in this vicinity here, and it's only 93 miles from Bermuda, and we're expecting that Bermuda will have gale winds and also some occasionally heavy rain during the day today. We do have another system in the Atlantic we're watching, and this system is located right here. The National Hurricane Center is tagging it as a 60% chance of possible development. The shower activity associated with this low, which is 1,100 miles to the northwest of the Cape Verde Islands, has changed very little in intensity over the past few hours. However, environmental conditions still appear favorable for a tropical depression to form over the next few days as it moves to the west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. They're giving it, as I said, 60% chance of development over the next 48 hours. If you're tracking it, it's at 21.2 degrees north and 43.5 degrees west, and that's the 1 a.m. advisory from the Hurricane Center. But we take a look at what's happening just to the southeast of that is a large envelope of moisture which is showing some signs of development. The Hurricane Center has not really labeled it as of yet, but it looks like it's beginning to show in shape as a tropical cyclone, and it's pushing off the intertropical convergence zone. Once it moves away from the intertropical convergence zone, it may have a development stage taking place. Now let's take a look at what's coming off of Africa. We have several storms beginning to push off the African coast, and we can count them. It's 1, 2, 3, and number 3 is pretty massive, and then we have one behind number 3 is number 4. So we have 4 systems now getting ready to come off the African coast, and this is what we call the African train, tropical train, which pushes into the Atlantic at the Cape Verde season, and the hurricane season is beginning to wrap up pretty rapidly. And let's take a look at what's taking place closer to home. We have an upper level low that was pushed off from Tut that we had located right in this region here. It was pushing it down to the southwest. This upper level low is beginning to show signs of developing at the surface level, and some of the models are picking up on a system developing in the northeast Gulf of Mexico, and this is the starting stages of it, so we'll have to keep a very close eye on homegrown development right under our nose in the next, well, actually this week. So folks along the northern Gulf Coast, beware that there is a system pushing down from the Atlantic, and it will come across Florida and develop somewhere along the northeast Gulf. There's a system right here over the Gulf of Campeche. It's really close to land, and its shower and thunderstorm activity has diminished though over the last few hours, and this tropical wave is approaching the Gulf of Campeche, but we don't show any signs of development. It's not going to have a lot of real growth because it's going to be so close to the land structure that it's going to move right into Mexico and cause just mainly shower and thunderstorm activity along that region. That's the latest we have for you at HurricaneCities.com. We'll keep you informed with the latest on the tropics. Thanks for joining us.